Everett, Massachusetts. Looks like somebody needs to slow down.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Birmingham, Alabama. Who's this guy?
What's going on, man? You better get the hell on away from here, man.
Well, I said down to Yolanda's house. I told her Yolanda coming to the I'm sorry.
All right. I'll blow your ass away from here.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Motherfucker walking around here beating my boy up. Yeah, I'll be getting there now.
Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, cross the road.
St. Louis, Missouri. So this lady hops out of her getaway car, but her getaway car drives off on her. Yeah, that's what you get. That's not your house.
No, she don't feel comfortable. You put your hand in your private area. We don't do that here. You don't feel comfortable. Yeah, she don't feel comfortable. Yeah, she don't feel comfortable. I know this one. Yeah, she don't feel comfortable. Find somebody else.
The owner of this massage parlor said they're under new management, but some of the old clients keep stopping by. Birmingham, Alabama. So this Uber driver comes back and says he's looking for the lady that took his charger wire or something.
Live with you with some dreads. She a nurse.
What's going on?
I may have the wrong house. That's all. It's a girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah, she a nurse. I picked her up.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna live.
No concern at all for my package. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Check this guy out. Looks like this guy has a butcher knife in his hand. A landlord shared this footage of an eviction.
And I know, and he told me to go to the bank to get proof, and I went, and this is the exact same thing.
Then you have to go through the county building.
And I did, and they just told me to come back to bring it back to let them know that he does not own my house.
No.
I'm doing what they told me to do. They said,
She's trespassing. If she come back up here, take her ass to
jail. He does not own my house.
This not your house.
You don't own it either. It's not yours either.
We're done.
The fuck is you talking about?
Make sure you hit the like button.
I'm gonna get my house back. Y'all gonna keep coming out here.
No, your ass going to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I don't care. And you gonna keep and you will take me to jail. I don't give a fuck. And I'm telling you to your face, I don't give a fuck.
Oh.
No, ain't no comment down because the bitch don't own my house.
I don't know. There's nothing more we can do.
Put me out my shit when you don't own it. The fuck? I'm not one of those. You got the right trick today.
It's motherfucking 10 o'clock in the morning and she drinking the ice house.
Let me grab this, man. So I don't.
What?
I'll get my picture ready. I don't give a damn. What the fuck he talking about? Thank you.
Davenport, Iowa.
Everyone, police, search warrant! Everyone, police, search warrant! Everyone, police, search warrant! Okay, we're good. Good. Everyone, police, search warrant! Coming. Yeah.
Atlantic City, New Jersey. Check this guy out.
TYG. Open up the door.
This guy got some type of pink blanket on his head or something. What's this guy want?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's TYG. Call TYG. Call TYG.
Meanwhile in St. Louis, looks like the Cardinals are taking a bird bath. This guy definitely needs his license revoked.
I saw the whole thing. You saw it? Yeah, I saw the whole thing. There we go. The car, the Nissan, was driving by and he ran the stop sign and boom. This guy, yeah, he hit the. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. You're welcome. Hang out for a few minutes. Yeah. Nah, he definitely. Yeah. He's drunk. He's drunk. You got it. Okay. Let's help him get this. wanted to do was hit him in the car. No, no. Stop.
This guy here in this Tacoma through the stop sign and whoever was in this car, I don't even know who's in that car. I'm saying, I don't know. Okay. Maybe this gentleman knows. Okay. Who else was involved in that? Who was in the other car?
Right there.
Them two?
Yeah.
They were in the other car.
Yeah, they were in the other car.
Okay, good. Yeah, because that's what we were getting ready to say. We're like, where are they?
Yeah, he was driving. The guy in the gray sweater. He was driving. He was the other driver.
Okay.
Pero,
No, tú. No, eran tres, pero yo no sé el otro. Ahí están los muchachos.
el negro, el de carro ahí.
Señor, deje la mano para arriba.
Can I try to bring some assistance for me? It's fine, it's fine. All right. That's fine. No, we gotta wait for a second, all right?
Vintner City, New Jersey. What a nice sunset. These people are living a good life. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.